Pick one.
2.
1, 2.
Orange.
Orange, huh?
Yo, let's cheese this place.
Where are we to go? The park's closed.
We'll find something.
Hey kids, you want some candy? Razzmatazz? Gumdrops? The Wikes? I got it all. Just get in the back. Huh? Okay. You guys want a grip truck? Camera Ambassador is excited to announce our new 3 and 5 ton grip trucks. Imagine how simple and convenient it will be to get all your production needs met from a single rental house. We got brand new fully loaded flag carts, senior grip carts, muscle carts, taco carts, distro carts, Jenny carts, and head carts. How about these amenities? Not too shabby, right? I'm right. Plus, sky panels, Astras, Quasars, Celebs, light mats, REHMIs, chokers, every tungsten head you could ever dream of, and they're all on carts.
In a 6-person cabin, too. You better rent this thing, I'm gonna break your damn legs.
So rest assured, as the only full-fledged camera grip and electric house in Chicago, we've got everything you need to take your production to the next level, all under one roof!